In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your parking brake cable handle on your Chevy Colorado. It's located inside the vehicle on the driver's side on your kick panel. To begin, you're going to pull out on your parking brake handle. You're going to remove the plastic grommet, like so. And then you're going to pinch in on these two ears that's on the either side. And you're going to release it. So I'm going to show you this. These two ears here. You pinch it and pull the handle off. To install, you're going to pull your cable out, push it onto the handle. You're going to push it on, make sure that both ears are coming through, and then you're going to lock it in with your plastic grommet. Push down and release. Make sure it works, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.